Okay, guys, so today we're going to go through how to plot individual error bars on each spot with different multiple set of data. So I had a lab project a month ago, and I had to plot all these data on a plot, and I didn't want to use what's so-called Excel. So I used Google Sheets, and I found a way to plot all these things on here because obviously the charts over here are much better. It doesn't have crosses and lines over the dots, and the colors are much better. So that's why I used Google Sheets. It's more convenient. And if you are using Google Sheet and finding ways to do it, this video is for you. Okay. So as you can see from the chart here, the error bars are totally different between each point. Um, you can see in here as well. So yeah, let's get to it. So obviously you need to have your standard deviation. These are my set of data. I plotted these individuals chart at first for better um for a better view of it. But what we needed were these and a standard deviation. That's all we need. So from there, I created these tables. So there are three steps to it. So the first step you have to do is to make a table like this. Okay, so make a table like this. So then you have data in between. The reason behind is this makes Google Sheets view your data as series. So you'll be able to edit the standard deviation of a series only. Because normally when you do standard deviation on charts like this, they'll have all the error bars within each point with the same amount, if you get what I'm saying. So we don't want that, so we need to create different series. So this is the first series that I made for F1, the data I wanted to plot and standard deviation. No, in another data I wanted to plot. This makes it in line with the series. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just follow the steps. So I made F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. You can pause the video here and then create your own tables. It will take like 2 minutes and come back. Okay, welcome back. And we're here with the table. So I don't think this is necessary, but yeah, I put here F1, all of it, F2, copy it over, F3, copy it over, F4, copy it over, F5, copied it over. Remember to have this column as well, and F6 over here. So what I did was I selected everything. Every possible data. I put chart. Hold on a sec. It's gonna show me this chart. If you have a whole lots of lines and stuff. We wanted line chart. At first it would look like this. Obviously we need to play around with the yeah. Go and try this. And we did this, got this. Column A as label. Here we go. 0 to 6. So from here, obviously, I think we need to remove the legends because I couldn't find a way to have only 6 legends on there. So from here, we will correspond the data, the standard deviations on the plot. So I'll do it this way. Series. Okay, first you go into this little three dot over here. Set edit the chart. So you go to the available settings for it. Go to customize. Go to series. You're gonna be editing the error bars of each series. Here, because you formatted your data as that way, now you can edit each point as a series. Okay. So first of all, we don't go to apply to all series, because if you put apply to all series, it would look like this: error bars, everything. Okay. We would go to line 1. We need to find what line 1 is. Nothing is blue over here. So I assume line 1 is this 0 spot. We can check. Yeah, it's over there. It's right here. I didn't want that that little dot to happen, so I just Control Z. Come back. So line 2 is this spot. F1. Oh, this was my F1. So I need to come back, find my standard deviation for F1. Was 7. 7. Change to constant. Put 7. Yeah. Go next to the second hour. Second hour. Error bars. Check what it was in here. 1.75. We got it here. I didn't want it to be yellow point, so I want it to be red to align with everything. So I could do here red as well. Add an error bar. Adjust it over here. Line 5, make it red. Add an error bar. Adjust it here if you wanted to. Line 6, make it red. Add an error bar. Line 7, make it red. Add an error bar. So there, your first line will look like this. Okay. So now you need to change the color of the whole line. So you got your last point as line 7. You need to go over, select line 8, and change the whole line to this color. So it aligns with everything. Yeah. After 6 times of doing that, it will take about 10 minutes total. And then you would have to adjust these for better view. You would go to, let me see, vertical axis, change the minimum value to 0, maximums up to, depends on your error bar. Let's say 17 over here. 17 looks bad. 18, let's do 18. And it would look like this. And then one last point is if you want to have is a smooth chart like mine. Or a more rigid chart like this. Yeah. After 6 minutes, you will have something like this. Okay. Thank you everyone for tuning in. If you really like this tutorial, leave a like and that'd be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Hope you guys do the best with your chart. Thank you.